Okay, gentlemen and ladies, today we're the 1st of April, so what I've done this morning on the tractor itself is I did a visual inspection for the summer. I did also an oil change. I didn't want to show you an oil change, you already saw me doing that. But I just want to mention, this time I used the best oil in town for the diesel tractor. It's the Rotella oil, diesel oil, it's called. I'm just gonna get it closer. It's a 5W4D full synthetic, and it's meant for heavy duty diesel engine. So the tractor use 2 liter of oil, and so I put it. Actually, it's more than 2 liters. 2.3 liter of oil. So I put it that. I did oil check. And now it's I'm gonna do a full striptease, a full frontal. All right. So stay along. Alright guys, so no, I'm not gonna do a striptease. It's my tractor. Right now, you all saw me removing everything. The thing I never done on my tractor is remove the front loader. So I'm gonna do that because I need to clean the bushing, the attention bushing, and re-grease them. So you're gonna see me that for the first time. I never done it. I look on the video, the maintenance book, so that's what I'm going to do. So, alright, stay along. I'm gonna put the camera inside the garage. Well, that circle is It's 19 feet. It's quite good, eh? So you can all see my tractor, my small tractor now with without any front loader. All right, guys. So that's it for now. Now I'm going to clean it, and I'm gonna just ending up when everything is clean. All right. Cheers. You can see somehow it's clean. So I did remove all the grease somehow, and I have still have to clean it a little bit more. This side is it's not clean yet. You can see it's all over, especially in the back. So I'm just gonna make a quick video. You're gonna see me cleaning my over grease front loader. So so Joe, you can laugh at me. I really over grease it, but oh well. There's a saying, it's nothing wrong to over grease, but it could be bad if you did not grease enough. So I'm the I'm good for over greasing. I'm not defending myself. No, no, not at all. I'm just gonna clean the attaching part. I ain't gonna clean the bottom. I do that later on. When you do a cleanup, I do a visual inspection for any type of crack, corrosion, defect. You see that the hole there is starting to get cut because of the thing there. So I'm going to put a pad in the meantime. It's a surface cut, but I'm glad that I cut it right. I find out right now. That should be good. Well, guys, that's why the meaning of a good visual inspection. That hydraulic oil hose, if I was keeping an eye, it would probably pierce after. I've got 205 hours, so probably at 400 hours that thing will leak. So yeah, just a good normal visual inspection can save you a little bit of money and sometimes bigger money. All right, so I'm gonna finish to clean up. All right, cheers. Well, guys, that's the time to hook to my loader. But before that, I'm gonna grease it, the mounting bracket there before. The type of grease I'm using is this one. I'm just gonna show it to you. It's just hold on. It's Tula synthetic grease, GR1000 SSR. All right, and that grease is a synthetic grease. It stays wet. It's easy to clean, and it is for use for in agricultural, construction, automotive, and industrial equipment. And it's a real good grease. It doesn't not dry. It's easy to clean, and like you saw, and it's a very thick synthetic grease, so it doesn't frost. So it's a really good grease. I recommend that. It's your tractor dealership. Most of them have it. All right. Alright guys, that was it for the April Fool Day striptease. Not of myself, but on my tractor. The good part about that joke is the find of the good find of my hydraulic hose getting wear down. So I'm really happy about that. So that shows the importance of doing your daily inspection. In this case, it's the first time in almost a year and a half that I disconnect the front loader. So yeah, I'm really happy. So take care of yourself, guys, and be safe and sound on there. Cheers. Bonsoir, mes amis.